Oh my gosh.
Today we're revealing my one-of-one Carrera GT. Vic sent me a picture of the car yesterday, and it is quite literally my favorite car. I don't want to say it because I don't want to take that away from you guys. You guys be your own judge. You guys make your own decision. But holy shit, when I say I nearly dropped. I am so passionate about this car because Carrera GT came out 20 years ago. And I know a lot of you Porsche enthusiasts are going to hate me for this, but probably because none of you guys have the balls to do what we're about to do. The car was spec'd by another gentleman, right, 20 years ago. 50%, I think like 50% of these Carrera GTs are all silver on gray. They all have that terracotta or black interior. It's not the way I would expect the car, right? So what we did with the Carrera GT, we painted it, we're redoing the interior, I changed the suspension, Porsche is doing the recall, shout out to Porsche. I even changed the windshield on this thing. I changed the trimming all around. I wanted to feel 100% brand new the way it would have came out of the dealer if I were spec'd it 20 years ago. I looked at all the Porsche colors. There are two greens that I like. Oak green metallic, which is what my McLaren Senna was. What this car is, my Panamera Aventurin green, but this car, it's not as green as I would like. And the Senna, well, I found myself editing the pictures because it wasn't as vibrant as I wanted. It was a nice shade, but it wasn't vibrant, it didn't pop. Between all this, I'm spending way over like $110,000 on the car, and the recall on this car is $130,000 as well. So the car is getting a $250,000 makeover currently. Anyway, we're gonna reveal the color. I have not shown Taylor the picture of this car. I wanted Taylor to come look at the car today and get his natural reaction. So I'm gonna be the cameraman today, you're gonna be the YouTuber. Anyway, we got 11 minutes until RDBLA. I know I've talked a lot, you guys are fed up with it. Let's go check out the car. All right, here we are. You close your eyes, you're not allowed to look. Oh no.
I'll just keep looking this way.
You look elsewhere.
Yeah, I'm not.
Wow.
I'm actually not looking. I promise I'm not. I'll step out of the car backwards, dead ass.
This isn't a fake YouTube reaction. Like, oh my God. This car, tits. Double D, massive.
Oh shit.
Don't look.
No, I'm not gonna look. I'm actually not gonna look.
Okay, come here. Vic, he hasn't seen it. He only.
Because he's been talking about it every single day. Holy shit, bro. This color is tits, bro. So this is my invitation to watch it when you're in Europe, right?
Yes, sir.
Dude, holy
look at these wheels. Vic, what do you think of the wheels, man? They came out perfect.
Came out better than I thought.
Because when I was here last time, he was telling me about the white wheels. He's like, he doesn't know if it's gonna look good or not. Dude, the white wheels, oh my gosh.
Holy shit. Because remember we were debating if we should go sand or if we should go gloss? I'm glad we went with gloss. Wow. Yeah. Bro, this is incredible.
When we were in New York looking at the Valhalla,
yeah. This is the color I wanted.
Dude, you freaking killed it. You guys killed it on this color, really.
So I was worried. I don't want to say worried. You know, worry is the wrong word. But you don't paint a hypercar. You know, it's not something you do. We went back and forth so many different colors. I literally looked at Porsche, Lamborghini, McLaren, Ferrari, Aston Martin, every single one. Tried to find the right color because once you paint it, you can't go back. You're one and done. I mean, it's been here for 2 months. It's been a 2-month process just here. Now it's got to go to the interior. So I mean, it's a once in a lifetime decision. No acting, no bullshit. I'm so excited for this car. I've never seen this color, period. Yeah, this is my first time seeing this color.
It's called Verde Masoni.
Yeah, with a little tweak to it. A little tweak to it. More pop.
Carrera GT, you see black, silver,
gray, red,
yellow,
some yellows.
Bro, I can't wait to be a passenger princess. Oh my gosh.
You're never going to be a passenger,
bro, I can't wait to be a passenger princess.
Your hair's not long enough, your eyes aren't blue enough, you're not blonde enough, you're not good looking.
What the f?
We're going to unveil this car at Quail in Monterey. Interior is going to, wow. Man, I'm lost for words. Interior is going to be done. Monterey, Quail, the car is going to be revealed. You going to come?
I'm going to try now. I never cared to go that much, but now with this
we're going to put on a suit and tie. Batman and Robin. Maybe we'll do Batman and Robin. That'd be funny.
Yeah, bro, with this car, bro, I can't even believe what I'm looking at.
Yeah. The brake calipers, correct.
Yeah. I get the color, when I'm standing over here, I get the color. Oh my gosh. Comparing this Porsche color to that one it's ridiculous.
Yeah, hold up. OEM Mondi.
I can't wait to see your stunt driver slide this thing around.
Yeah, shut up.
Oh, you want to try?
Yeah, I want to try it. If it doesn't work,
and then order screw it if it's not good.
Yeah. Taylor thinks he's a good driver. He drives a freaking Subaru.
Yo, this is crazy. Throwing shade for no reason. Just because Vic dissed your wheels, bro. Now you're mad. It's okay. I actually like the white.
I like the white too.
Yeah, I think it's good.
I mean, all we have to do is
go. All right, bro. Mercy. I'll leave you alone. I know you want to go home. Thank you.
good.
RDB is the best. That's all I'm going to say. Yeah, just got to figure out what we're doing with the wheels. I personally love them. But like a different style of wheel would be incredible. Something retro. Because the car is 20 years old. It deserves like a retro looking wheel. That's it. Ciao, 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 ciao. Ciao, ciao.